Hey there, smoothie lovers! In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a delicious and nutritious smoothie right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack in vitamins, minerals, and a burst of flavors. So, let's grab our blenders and get blending. Before we dive into the smoothie making process, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. Here's what you'll want to have on hand. 1 ripe banana. 1 cup of your favorite frozen fruit, berries, mango, pineapple, etc. 1 cup of liquid, almond milk, coconut water, or regular milk. 1 tablespoon of nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter. 1 tablespoon of honey or your preferred sweetener. A handful of leafy greens, spinach, kale, or any greens of your choice. Optional add-ins: chia seeds, flax seeds, protein powder, or yogurt. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to blend them together. Start by adding the liquid to your blender, followed by the frozen fruit, banana, nut butter, honey or sweetener, and the handful of leafy greens. If you're adding any optional add-ins like chia seeds or protein powder, include them as well. Now, it's time to blend everything together. Start at a low speed and gradually increase to high. Blend until all the ingredients are fully incorporated and you have a smooth and creamy consistency. If the mixture is too thick, you can add more liquid. If it's too thin, add a few ice cubes or more frozen fruit to thicken it up. Once your smoothie reaches the desired consistency, it's time to pour it into a glass. Watch as the vibrant colors come together. Feel free to get creative and garnish your smoothie with a sprinkle of chia seeds, a few fresh berries, or a sprig of mint. Sip and savor. Now, it's the most rewarding part: sipping and savoring your homemade smoothie. Take a moment to appreciate the delightful flavors and the burst of nutrients you've just prepared. Smoothies are not only delicious but also a fantastic way to nourish your body. Congratulations on making your own delicious smoothie! The possibilities are endless when it comes to flavor combinations, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your favorite blend. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Cheers to your health and happy blending!